Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Nigam and today my topic is immune systems, immunity and various types of immune systems. So basically immunity is the ability of the body to protect against all type of foreign bodies like bacteria, virus, microorganisms and the pathogens uh, which enters in our body. Then as it protects us from various type of disease, it is also called as disease resistance. Then lack of immunity is also called as susceptibility. Then immunity is done by the various immune systems, which are a complex network of lymphatic organs like bone marrow, thymus and spleen. Bone marrow is the production of blood cells. There are two types of bone marrows, red bone marrow and yellow bone marrow. Red bone marrow is responsible for the production of blood cells, and yellow bone marrow is responsible for the production of or it is important for the fat storage. Then if I talk about the thymus is for the production and maturation of the immune cells. Then it makes WBCs called T lymphocyte or T cells. It is also used to fight against the infection. If I talk about the spleen, it is the largest organ in the lymphatic system. It store and filter the blood and make WBC and cell debris. And this was all about the immune system. If I talk about the types of immune system, there are two main types: innate immune system and adequate or adaptive immune system. In innate immune system, it is also called as a natural immune system or a native immune system. It consists of the mechanism that exist before infection and are capable to rapid response towards the microbes. There are various barriers in the innate immune system, that is at anatomical barrier, physiological barrier, phagocytical barrier, cytokines and blood proteins. If I talk about the second type, that is adaptive immune system, they are also divided into two streams. First is passive immunity and second is active immunity. In passive immunity, first adequate, what is adequate immunity? So adequate or adaptive immunity is it is a immunity that is developed by the host in its body after exposure to the suitable antigen or on or after transfer of the antibodies on the lymphocyte an from an immune system from an immune donors. They So characteristics of the anti addic sorry so what are the characteristics of adequate immunity? So they are diversity, antigen specificity, self or non self recognition. In that there are two types: active immunity and passive immunity. In active immunity, it is induced by the natural exposure to the pathogen or vaccines. In that they are also divided into two types: natural and artificial. In natural, contact with the disease when the means virus or sneezing. In artificial, vaccines, killers, attenuated toxins, and recombinant DNA. In passive immunity, passive immunity is achieved by transfer of the immune production, such as antibodies or sanitized T cell from an immune individual to non-immune individual. They are also divided into two: natural and artificial. In natural, placebo, mother's milk, and in artificial, immune system. So this was all about the types. And if I talk about the disease, lack of immune system is also called as susceptibility, and disease like diabetes, um, then autoimmune disease, cancer are some types of immune disease. So this was all about the immune system, immunity, and types of immunity. I hope you all understand. Thank you.